In this video, we'll run you through some handy things to remember when installing your CSC. On removing the CSC from the box, make sure you do not compress the cylinder in any way, as this will damage the unit as it's not yet filled with fluid. The internal seals will also be damaged due to excessive friction. Make sure you place the CSC in an area that's been cleaned and is free of debris. It must locate cleanly and squarely on the gearbox case, and all correct seals and sealants are used. Gently slide the CSC over the gearbox input shaft and slightly rotate it to ensure the correct location on the gearbox case. Torque the bolts to meet the manufacturer's specifications. There are two types of connector, the traditional screw-in and the quick clip connector, which is more common. With the traditional type, tighten the screw using the torque of between 10 to 15 Newton meters, dependent on the manufacturer's specifications. Before attempting to purge or operate the clutch, ensure that the gearbox is fully located in the fitted position. Bleed the systems as per instructions. Do not rapidly depress the pedal, as this can damage the CSC end seal. Please note, many CSCs do not have bleeding ports or screws, making bleeding difficult after installation. In this case, you can follow this procedure. Please note, clutch industries do not recommend the use of power bleeding systems, as some systems run a high air pressure. This can invert or roll the internal seal, resulting in immediate fluid loss.